Hello, today we're going to make some postcards. I've got some here of different types, so to give you a few ideas, ones which I've bought when I've been on holiday. That one's kind of 3D, you probably can't see it very well on here, but I really like it. They don't have to be from anywhere too far away even. I've got a couple here which are of Barking and Dagenham by a local artist called Susanna Wallace. They're really pretty. They're kind of a Christmassy theme, but that doesn't matter. They've got some gold sparkles on them and things. Very pretty. You can even do just an abstract one. This is one that I've got because of an exchange of postcards at the end of an art exhibition. And I've made a few out of just bits and pieces that I've got lying around. If you've got something like a holiday brochure or one of those map things that they give you when you arrive somewhere on holiday, it's quite easy to just cut that up and make a collage, which I've done of this. This one is of Paxos, which is where I would really like to be now, if I could. I've just painted that one very quickly with something we've all probably got, which is a bit cut out of an Amazon box. Just did that in about 5 minutes. It doesn't need to look perfect or anything. I've just done like an impression of some leaves and flowers really with sort of sunsetty colours. So I'm going to finish these two off now, just with some stickers, I think, because that's nice and easy. And you can get stickers in Poundland, they've got loads of them. And these sparkly things are really good as well. They're also from Poundland. So let's start with this one. And I think it needs a mermaid. So I think on this picture of the island, just put her there. And maybe bird. This is a bit random and it doesn't matter at all. Just whatever takes your fancy really. Put the bird in the tree. And a little heart somewhere. Let's put that in the middle. There we go. And that's just 4 pictures stuck together with some bits stuck on it. That's really easy. Those ones aren't actually anywhere a holiday place. That's actually right in the centre of Hackney. And I like seeing palm trees in London. There's quite a lot of them. Once you start spotting them, you see them everywhere. That's a similar thing I've made, which I think this one's going to have a nightlife theme. And I'm not sure how this is going to go, but what I was going to do was just, because it's kind of evening, just do some kind of drawn on neon signs or something like that. So maybe we'll have a cocktail. It's not really showing up very bright. It looks brighter here to me. Cocktail and a sign. Saying disco, I think. And bar. And then I think we'll put some of these sparkly things on because it needs a bit of embellishing, I think. So I'm just going to put them on randomly. Bit fiddly. But quite pretty. That will do, I think. Maybe another sticker. Seahorse. There. Okay, that's finished. So just put them all here again. Have a bit more of a look. Okay, so then you need to think about what you're going to write on it. You could write about your thoughts about things that have happened during the lockdown, your thoughts about the other workshops we've done on this series of workshops, or imaginary holiday. Pretend you're on holiday, write about what you might have done, relate it to some of the things we've done here, maybe, or just say hello to somebody. And if you would like to exchange your card with somebody else who's doing this course, then if you get in touch, we can arrange that for you. And we would really like to see any examples of any postcards that you make as well. Okay, that's it then. Bye.